Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable and disable auto off mode on your headphones Sony LinkBuds. You have to start by open the application, now scroll down, click on device settings, now go to system and right here scroll down again. And we have automatic power off, so click here and you have two options, or turn off your headphones when they removed, or do not turn off. Do not turn off is the better for me, so I choose it, but you can choose the best one for you. That's it, thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video, it's really important to us. See you later!